Hello wonderful people, how are you doing? Hope you guys are fine. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop chronic spiritual marriage. For those people that are always having intercourse when they sleep, for those people that they know fully well that they have spiritual husband or spiritual wife, I've actually done a video whereby you can use alligator pepper to stop spiritual marriages. But this particular video is also very effective in removing spiritual spouse. This is actually a promise video that I promised my subscribers. For those people that they said they could not get my spiritual wife or husband, or either spiritual spouse, or for those of you that said you can't afford it, so this is actually a free tips that you can use to stop it by yourself. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about cassava. You can use cassava to stop spiritual attack. You can use cassava to stop a lot of attack. You can use cassava for spiritual spouses generally. You can use cassava leaf for a lot of things. I also have one more video about the importance of cassava leaf, but let's talk more of using it to stop spiritual marriages and spiritual spouses. The second thing that you also need a garlic. I know some people will be like, why not use only cassava leaf? Why not use only garlic? Garlic on its own stops spiritual activities. Garlic on its own is spiritually strong. Garlic on its own is a strong spiritual item that you can use to drive away negativity too. You can use it to drive away evil spirit. You can use it to drive away spiritual spouse. Cassava leaf and garlic are both spiritual items, and they are actually very strong. They are both spiritual strong items that you can use to send away spiritual spouses that want to bring you downfall, that do not want you to progress, that does not want you to be happy in life, that does not want you to be somebody, that just wants you to himself, that does not want you to get married, that does not want you to be fruitful, that does not want you to just wanted you to be at a particular point. So after watching this video, you will see a reason to smile again. In fact, you will see the wonders of God in your life. You will know that God does not sleep when he wants to help you. So what you do is to get enough cassava leaf, also get garlics. Then you pound the two together. Pound it, let it be in a paste form. Pound it, make sure you pound it very well. Then you also get a black soup. Then you add it together. Make sure you pound it together. Then you can be using it to take your bath every night before you sleep. Use it as your night soup. This as well chases away anything that wants to come to you, anything that wants to destroy you, anything that wants to sleep with you, any spirit that want to see your downfall. This is also a way to remove spiritual attack. This is also a great way to send evil away. Any evil, you see some people that once they sleep, they get scratches on their body. This particular soup send anything that wants to happen. In fact, it makes your body unavailable for evil activities. It makes your body like, when you touch fire, you won't want to stand. It makes your body unavailable for any evil thing to take place. So make sure you put it in a clean container. You do this for 3 weeks. Please, once you are doing it, you will notice that the spiritual spouse is leaving you. Please do not stop. Do you understand? Do not stop. Continue. Make sure you do it for 3 weeks. Do not stop. Do not stop. Even though you are not noticing it again, nobody's coming to you. You are beginning to progress. Men are coming to you, women are coming to you. Everything is beginning to open. Please do not stop it. Make sure you do it at least 3 weeks. At least 3 weeks. Make sure you do it for 3 weeks. After doing this, trust me, everything you put your hand will prosper. Any man that will come to you will come to stay. Anything that you put your hand will just to work out automatically. If it's actually caused by a spiritual spouse, anything you do will become prosperous automatically. This particular video ends spiritual spouses, it ends spiritual marriages, it ends spiritual barrenness, it ends spiritual unfruitfulness, it ends chronic spiritual problems. You see some spiritual problem that you'll be going through, you will not have you don't have any trace of the problem that you are having. It does not have medical history, but you are going through a strong spiritual spirit. This can as well remove anything from your body. Like I said earlier, this is for people that have chronic spiritual marriages, chronic spiritual spouse. That is, they are already inside. There's stages to everything. There's what they call, once you are newly married to a spiritual spouse, it takes time for them to bring you down. But when you are chronically inside it, once you are, in fact, you are living together, they are showing themselves to you. You know them, they know you. You know that you have spiritual husband. For those people that have chronic spiritual spouses, that have chronic spiritual husband, you need to do this. You must do this, because this is your final solution to shine. This is your final solution to be successful. This is your final solution to be useful. This is your final solution to see a good man that will look into your eyes and want to marry you. This is a final solution to those of you that is looking for a wife, that you could not even see a wife. You are being disturbed and tormented by spiritual spouses. This is a great soap that sent away negativity. I've said that before. This is a great soap that will not allow any evil activities take place on your body or take place within you. The smell of it drives away any evils that want to come and meet you, that wants to come to you. So guys, do this and give me feedback, because you know I love testimonies. So guys, we've actually come to the end of today's video. If you find this video helpful and interesting, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video. I'll see you on my next video. Remain blessed. Please do not forget to subscribe so you can join this wonderful family. And secondly, guys, please, if you still need your already made spiritual spouses oil, please come get one. Please come get one. All right guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.